Florence came ashore as a hurricane but has been downgraded to a tropical storm. Already, the storm is being blamed for at least 5 deaths in North Carolina, and more rain and potential flooding are on the way. Rescue efforts are underway and flooding is widespread. CBS's Courtney Zubowski is in Wilmington, where it could be days before the storm lets up.
A lumbering but relentless tropical storm Florence is battering North Carolina. Storm surge overwhelmed the city of New Bern. Boats abandoned in the marina are sinking. Several hundred people were rescued by boat and truck Friday, including Sadie Marie Holt, who tried to make it out on her own but failed.
It was getting so bad that we physically took a boat we had in the yard and the neighbors, and we tried to leave about 3 o'clock in the morning.
Not everyone was so fortunate. Wilmington firefighters kneeled at the scene where a mother and baby were killed when a tree fell on their house. Another victim was pulled from the home alive.
This loss of life is devastating.
The governor is urging residents to seek shelter and stay there. Florence is moving west at a snail's pace of about 3 miles an hour. That means that driving rain and strong winds aren't letting up.
It's going to be a continuous rain for many folks, probably through Saturday, and for many until Sunday.
Members of a search and rescue group came out to these side streets in Jacksonville and ended up retrieving stranded pets from floodwaters.
In the process, we find a few dogs held up on people's porches and a few cats, and so I guess we just try to help out.
North Carolina's governor says at least 650,000 people are without power. That number could rise as high as 2.5 million by the time Florence clears out. Courtney Zubowski, CBS News, Wilmington, North Carolina.
And President Trump is expected to visit affected areas next week.